Welcome to part 6 of building your layout, adding people and additional details. Populating your layout with railway staff, scale autos and a selection of people and animals really does add a little bit of realism to your layout, and Hornby's selection of people and animals can do just that. They can easily be glued in place using PVA wood glue, or for a more permanent fix, a contact adhesive. Do take care when using an adhesive. You will find that some of our buildings, for example in the R590 station halt kit, there will be small details to add. A trolley, signage and benches, for example. You can create so many different scenes from various parts of history. It really is about you being creative and you bringing your layout to life. And don't forget to place your buffer stop. We wouldn't want any accidents now, would we? We have several people and animals to help populate your layout and create interesting and fun scenes. Children waiting at the station, sheep grazing on the fields. It's completely up to you what you do with your layout. Once you're happy with the details and population of your layout, you can move on to the next step, fitting the fence. Click here to watch the next video.